Hello friends, good morning. This is Rajinder Jatana, your math teacher. Today I have brought two mnemonics for you and I promise that it shall be on 3D. Now here it is. First mnemonic is on the vector. What is vector? This definition exactly many students may or may not be knowing. So I have created a mnemonic for this. It is MD lost it. मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर लॉस्ट इट. क्या गुम हो गया है मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर का? जेन गुम हो गई है, उनकी कार गुम हो गई है. सो नो लुक हियर. M stands for magnitude, magnitude of the vector. D stands for direction. L stands for line. O stands for off. ST together stand for sport. I stands for initial point. T stands for terminal point. So this is what the vector is, the complete definition. The vector has magnitude. Now look here. There is a line before you with small letter L, and A and B are 2 points on this. A is an initial point, B is a terminal point. And the arrow between A and B is the direction. And the magnitude is the length of AB. It is the length of AB. Look here, it is the length of AB. Length of AB from A to B, it is small a. It is small a. And direction is from A to B. Direction is from A to B. The line of support is small l. And initial point is A, terminal point is B. So look here. This is the complete definition. This is the complete definition. It is hidden in this, and it is the anatomy of the vector. Look here, it is anatomy of the vector. So now, if you remember this, so you will remember what the vector is. Now let us go to the next mnemonic. The first mnemonic was MD lost it. मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ने खो दी, और जो एम्प्लॉय से वो सर से पूछने लगे, सर क्या हुआ? कहता है यार, CUC जेन पेट्रोल फुल, मेरी जेन कोई ले गया है, कोई गाड़ी चुरा के ले गया है यार, ढूंढो जरा. CUC जेन petrol full. It is full of petrol. No, you have to remember it, mnemonic like that. CUC, then P full, petrol full. Now we will discuss the types of vectors. They are all in this. C stands for collinear vector. Now, the collinear vectors they have the same line of support. They have the same line of support. Look here, they have same line of support. It is here. They are parallel. Now, if two vectors A and B are parallel, then one vector will be lambda times the other vector. अगर आप दो पेन या दो पेंसिल एक दूसरे के पैरेलल रख देते हो, एक पेंसिल दूसरे की सम टाइम्स होगी. सपोजिंग एक पेंसिल दूसरे पेंसिल की आधी है, सो देन इट विल बी लाइक दिस. ए इज double of b. So a is 2 times lambda b. A is 2 times b. So the collinear vectors are, they have the same line of support and they are parallel, and one vector is lambda times the other vector. Unit vector, U stands for unit. C हो गया, C के बाद U देखो, U is the unit vector. Vector having length only one unit is called the unit vector. Its magnitude is 1. Next C. इस C से 3 चालू होते हैं, को इनिशियल, को टर्मिनल, को प्लेनर. So co-initial vectors are those vectors जिनका इनिशियल पॉइंट सेम होता है, एंड co-terminal vectors are those vectors they terminate at same point, and coplanar vectors are which lie in the same plane. Z stands for zero vector. E stands for equal vector. Zero vector means its length is 0, magnitude is 0. Equal vectors are those vectors which are in the same direction and equal in magnitude. So direction भी same होनी चाहिए, magnitude भी same होना चाहिए. Those vectors will be called equal vectors. Negative of a vector, if there are two equal vectors in the opposite direction, length is equal but their direction is in the opposite, so they will be one vector will be negative of the other. Position vector, जिसकी पोजीशन फिक्स है एंड रेफरेंस पॉइंट से जो भी वेक्टर स्टार्ट होता है, रेफरेंस पॉइंट इज जनरली द ओरिजिन. ओरिजिन से स्टार्ट होने वाले जितने भी वेक्टर्स हैं, दे आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी पोजीशन वेक्टर्स. फ्री वेक्टर्स आर दोज वेक्टर्स, F stands for free. Free vectors are those vectors which are free. It means they have nothing to do with the reference point. Unlike, U stands for unlike vectors. Unlike vectors are which are not in the same direction. They are unlike. And like vectors are in the same directions. So the mnemonic is CUC, Zen, petrol full. This is all the types of vectors. So now you find that it is very easy to remember the names of all the vectors and their definitions I have just told you. So I will be bringing the mnemonics. All the 3D is based on the mnemonics. So these mnemonics make the subject very easy. So I will request you to please remember the mnemonics, and with the help of that you can do 3D in चुटकियों में. Now the first mnemonic was, what is vector? MD lost it. M stands for magnitude, D stands for direction, L stands for line, O stands for off, ST stands for sport. I stands for initial point, T stands for terminal point. So this is what I told you today. So these are the two mnemonics I have prepared for all the students to remember the definition of vector, complete definition of vector, and the types of vectors. Thank you very much. I understand that you might have enjoyed this video. Keep on watching the videos regularly so that you understand the vectors in an easy way. Thank you very much. I request you to please like the videos, share them, and subscribe them. Thank you very much.